In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create ClickUp Sprints or a sprint folder. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, hover your mouse on the plus icon beside your space. Then, once you click right there, click on Sprint Folder. This is where you can organize your sprints. So let's say I'm going to name it sprint folder 1. Then what would be the measure of the sprint points? Is either sprint points or time estimates. Then the duration, then next. Then, as you can see, we can choose whether when the sprint ends, then the mark sprint is done. Now we're going to create. Now, from here, this would be our sprints folder. So anything that we add right here would then be tasks that is considered sprints. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.